Hello friends, and welcome to another video of Travel Tech. Now in this video I am bringing you an unboxing of the Honda air valve caps for your Honda cars. Now these air valve caps are available for all the Honda cars, and of course it comes along with a Honda keychain as well. So I just received this parcel from Amazon and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. So let's just go ahead and open up this package and let's see what's inside. So as you're seeing on the screen right now, this is the Honda air valve caps that comes along with a premium Honda car keychain. So you can use this keychain for your Honda cars, and of course you can put in these air valve caps which are going to give a very nice look, a very branded look for your Honda cars. So let's just open up this package. So as you're seeing, they're really nice looking and a very premium looking air valve caps. So now I'll just remove them one by one from their covers and I'll show you how they look exactly and what are the sizes and how you can fit them in your car as well. So these are the four air valve caps, and along with that you get a premium Honda keychain along with a Honda logo. So these air valve caps come with a Honda logo embezzled on top of them, and they are really nice, and as you can see here, there is a rubber cladding inside so that it fits in perfectly well on the air valve cap and it prevents any sort of a air leakage from your tire. So they will obviously look very nice on the tires as well, and along with that you can combine it with this Honda car keychain along with your car. So these are the air valve caps available in the packet along with the Honda car keychain. They are really nice looking and I just ordered them from Amazon, and if you're interested in buying them, I'll leave a link in the description so you can go ahead and click on the description and buy them. So now let's just go ahead and I'll show you how they look once they are fitted in on the air valve caps of the Honda cars, and of course I think they'll look amazing. So let's just go ahead and see what they exactly look like. So guys, now I'm fitting the air valve cap on one of my rear tires, and it actually fits really well onto the air valve cap. There is no size discrepancy, so you can order this without worry. It is going to fit on your Honda car tire. So currently now my tire is a Goodyear tire on my Honda WRV, and this air valve caps fits perfectly well as you're seeing on the screen right now. You just have to rotate it clockwise and make it fit inside, and the Honda logo does look really nice. It gives you a sort of an OEM look and feels like the OEM has provided, or the Honda itself has provided, this air valve cap on the tire, and of course it gels well with the Honda logo in the middle of the rim of the tire. So this is a perfect look and a perfect match. So let's just go ahead and fit one more air valve cap on the front tire of my Honda WRV. So now I'm removing the older air valve cap which I had ordered from the Amazon. These are the silver air valve caps. I had put up a video regarding this previously, but now since I am not using it, you need not go ahead and see that. So now I'm putting up the new air valve caps with the Honda logo on top of the front tire, on top of the air valve caps of the front tire, and even this is a perfect fit. And as I had shown you previously, there is a rubber cladding inside, so that gives it a really airtight seal and there is no air leakage as such. And the Honda logo, as you're seeing, it looks really well and looks, as I said, a OEM style kind of an appearance, and it gives you a real good style statement for your tire, and also serves functionally, as in it saves the air leakage from the air valve cap if at all, if there is any air leakage. So now the tire is looking complete with the Honda logo in the middle of the rim and the air valve cap also having a Honda logo. So these both gel extremely well along with each other and give you a complete look, a complete Honda OEM look if you are interested in getting it for your car. So this is it guys, this is a special video for today, bringing you a Honda branded air valve caps and a Honda car keychain which goes well along with your Honda car key as well. So that's it guys, this is Travel Tech signing off. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't go without liking this video. Have a really nice day.